Welcome back to another Reloader Joe video. We have repaired the Mossberg 45 Camp Carbine. We put the new recoil buffer and the new spring, the recoil spring. This is the 21 pound, which is what was recommended for the 45 ACP version. This hammer is so hard to pull back now. Holy cow. But we're losing daylight, so let's pick up where we left off. We need to load our Federal. We need to load up our Federal and do our groups. We did the Chronograph last video, so we're gonna see how it groups this video. We've got some other cartridges to try, so if we have enough daylight, we'll shoot those also. I'm gonna load 5 in here. Put it on safety. Get my ears on here. Our target's still set up at 25 yards. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. All right. So, that smoked pretty good. Yeah. All right. Well, let's go check it out. We're all in our. That's our 3-inch circle right there. We are all inside of it. So that looks good. I was aiming about halfway. I could, the target was as wide as this, and it was easy to find halfway. Halfway up on it, that front side is orange. It's like orange plastic. So yeah. It was easy to see here, but yeah, that's not bad. Let's load. Let's put a new target up and let's load some new ammo. We have some Hornady ammo, and I don't remember what the other is. Okay, let's go. Okay, we got the target reset. We now have some Hornady, and we also have some Armscor. Let's fire the Hornady first. Okay. We'll load up 5 again. We'll chronograph these if we have enough time. They are rated at 950 feet a second muzzle velocity. Well, that's out of a handgun, not out of a rifle, so we should be faster. Yeah. Here we go. Safety's on. Okay. Got your ears?
Yep.
Okay. Here we go. Let's see where these group. Okay, I see a flyer. I see one in the white.
That smells so good.
But luckily I only see one in the white. How far was it kicking them out? Those cases. Well, let's go look. Well, there's our 5. That's pretty tight.
Yeah.
Open sights. Yeah, the first one had been sitting out here a while. The first target, it was kind of faded, and it was easier to see than this dark, the brown one here.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's just as tight of a group as the other one, I think. Let's do the Armscor ammo. We'll reset the target. We'll do the Armscor, and we'll get some chronographs results also. Okay, I've got the Armscor loaded. Oh, this doesn't, the Armscor does not show velocity, but they're 230 grain jacketed hollow point. The Hornady was a 230 grain jacketed hollow point also. Put it on safety. This is the Armscor.
Ears are almost engaged. Ears
You ready?
are engaged.
Okay,
Yep.
here we go. Okay. Those all smell similar. Hey, there they go. They are, there they go.
Yeah, we got them on camera.
They're swimming across the pond again. They were afraid of it all summer
Yeah.
because we caught a snapping turtle out there.
Yeah.
And now they've decided it's okay to swim again.
Yep.
Not bad. Open sights, and it's hard to, especially with the sun coming in at the angle that front sight still kind of gets lost in here. These darker ones, for once it was actually easier to see that first sight, which was kind of faded, the first target that was kind of faded. But yeah, anyway, that group looks nice.
What color was that first one that we did?
Well, it used to be like purple. It was purple construction paper.
Yeah.
And it sat out here for a while because, we didn't get to use it when we were shooting the other video because the Camp Carbine broke.
Oh, yeah.
So it sat out here in the sun and faded. And that was pretty easy to see, But anyway, that looks good. Let's set up the chronograph and let's see how fast these cartridges are going. See if there's any difference with the that heavier recoil spring.
Yeah.
So, all right, we'll be right back. We're going to chronograph the Hornady. This just says custom 230 grain XTP, and it says, where was it? Oh yeah, 950 feet per second muzzle velocity. 950 feet per second muzzle velocity. That's out of a pistol.
Yeah.
Let's see what it does out of the Marlin 45. Camp Carbine. Ready?
Yep.
We'll do 5 shots and call them out. All right, we got safety on. Ready?
Yep.
Here we go. 976.
Okay, yeah, 976.
1025.
1025.
1023.
1029.
1029. And 1045. Well, they do pretty good out of here. Oh, look at that.
Oh.
Look what happened. We have a cartridge that did not eject.
Oh, dear.
Oh no, look what it did.
What was it? There. There.
Wow.
It like split it.
Yeah, it tore that up.
Okay, if your finger would get stuck in that and it would go, you would probably break
That would hurt. Okay, well, it is empty. That was all 5.
Yeah.
Let's load the Armscor and see if it happens. If that keeps happening, we may need to go to the 16-pound spring on this one. I thought that 21-pound spring was kind of heavy. You really got to pull it back to, man. There we go. All right. Okay. We've got 5 Armscor, 230 grain hollow point. safety's on. Let's see if we can not have a jam this time.
Yeah.
All right, safety's off.
10-17.
10-17.
985.
985.
1023. 993. 1013.
No jams.
Nice.
That's good. The Marlin 45 Camp Carbine, it did a lot better, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I had no idea what happened to it last time.
Yeah.
I thought that stuff was, it was the recoil buffer shredding, and I thought it was the sand coming out of the sandbag. We hadn't shot this rifle in years, and I didn't know there was a problem like that, but easy fix. And we've got that recoil spring. I'm not gonna swap out the spring again for a 16-pound spring. That's the one that they recommend for the 9mm, the Camp Carbine Marlin Model 9.
Yeah.
So we're gonna keep this one on here. We'll monitor. See if we get a ton more jams like that, we'll swap it out, but not until then. So hey, please like and subscribe. We got more videos coming, and thanks for watching another Reloader Joe video. Over and out.